Here are the USB plugs harvested from the bad cable. Micro USB, which is broken, and this is the normal USB, also broken. I won't go into details. This is a really bad quality plug, but it will be fine once I assemble it. It just wasn't meant for reuse. Once you put it together, and that's how it dies usually. So here's the speaker wire that I'll be soldering onto the plugs, and I looked it up online. The positive is this one on the micro USB, and on the USB this one is the positive. So let's get started. Oh, I need something to hold the plug. Like that, maybe. So the positive on that side. Mm, The wire is kinda thick. How shall I do this? Can I hold it here? Somewhere? Like that? Maybe a rubber band on the pliers? Like that. And it holds. Okay. So, the positive on that side. Oh, how can I show you? So we made this improvised soldering stand here. Okay. So the positive on that side. Maybe from the outside, so it wouldn't touch the other contacts. Like that. I think it's okay. Now the negative, for which I need a better angle, like that, so I can see. And maybe I just heat up the wire and it will heat up the contact too. Let me try it. Yes. I'll take away the iron. Okay. It doesn't look pretty, but I did it. It doesn't touch anything else. The two data connections in the middle. I guess it's fine. Okay, so these are the, let me check again. Like that. That's the negative and that's the positive. Okay, you can look it up online if you're unsure. Yes. So let's hold this one. Can these pliers hold it? Yep, like that. And like that. Right? Right. Nah, it slides. Bar. Focus and let it not slide. Okay. So there, the positive goes on this side towards me, towards the camera, or how you say it. Come on, what's with all this junk here on my desk? Oh, let's get some solder off. This is a pin from this USB plug, the middle pin, which I don't need because it's data. I only have two wires anyway, so I don't need this one. Okay, so this is the positive. That's what I said. Yeah, that's what I said. So let me look at it again. So yes, the other part is there. Okay, this is the positive. Yes. I'm just gonna heat up the wire. Yes. The same procedure here. Yes. Now it doesn't look pretty. That's a given. It will be covered in hot glue anyway. It will form a nice, almost like the original rubber. Okay, so let's try it out. Zoom out. So I have this drill that I built in a power bank. It charges with micro USB right there. So I'm not gonna risk charging a phone with this cable. First I'll try it with this one because it's like $1 to replace this electronics, charging electronics. It's no problem. So I'll plug in this one like so, and let's see. Focus, and let me just put it in, and it's charging. Wait, it's not plugging in all the way. What's happening here? I don't know what's happening. It doesn't want to go in all the way. But why? It's charging. The red light shows up. It's in. It's in. All the way. It doesn't grip very hard because it's broken. But it's fine. It will wear out the phone's plug less.